Okay, let us try to simplify this problem. Merely looking at this is square root of 160 x squared plus square root of 71x to the power 4 plus square root of 100 x raised to the power 8. We have 8 here. Okay, what we need to do right here, is to solve the inner one first. Okay, this inner one, what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this square root, let me work it here. Sorry. So when you have square root 100 x to the power 8, the meaning of this is 100 x raised to the power 8 here into a bracket, everything raised to the power half. So is that clear? Now we will now use this to multiply this and this 100 is 10 raised to the power 2, then x raised to the power 8, the two of them like this raised to the power half. Now let's distribute this half for the 2. So that's law of indices. So we say 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 2, let me rewrite this. Okay, we say 10 raised to the power 2 times half, that is this half, then this x times this dot means times x raised to the power 8 times 1/2. Can you see that? That's the meaning of this. We are trying to resolve only this for now. Okay, you have 2 times 1, that's 2/2. This is 10 raised to the power 2/2 multiplied by x raised to the power 8, because 8 multiplied by 1, that's 8/2. Therefore this will resolve to 10 raised to the power 1, which is 10. 10 raised to the power 1 is 10 multiplied by, is a dot, and then x raised to the power 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. X will raise to the power 4. Therefore this one we resolve it to be 10x raised to the power 4. Therefore that's the meaning of this square root of 100, 10 raised to the power 10, 100 x raised to the power 8. Therefore we will rewrite our equation like this way. So we have 160 x squared plus square root of 71 x to the power 4 plus, since we have resolved this, we will not write this again, we will put our solution here, plus 10 x raised to the power 4. So this square root covers these two, and this square root cover all of them. Can you see that now? Okay, now since we have resolved this one is additive, we can add it together. We can add 71 to 10, then these x now is of the same power, then we can add that as well together. So what are we going to get here now? Oh, let's rewrite our equation. Our equation now will become something like 160 x raised to the power 2 plus the square root of 71 plus 10, that's 81 x raised to the power 4. Can you see that? And since this is square root of 81 and the square root of x raised to the power 4, the same procedure that we carried out here, we carried it out. The square root of 81 is 9, so this is resolved. So we have 9. The square root of x to the power 4, just divide this by 2, you will get x squared, just as we use half to multiply this. So my equation next is that, if you want me to resolve it in the same way I work on this, let me write it. I need to work it because of the people that have never known anything about this. So let me take my time to work it out. This very one, we have this is going to be square root of 81 x to the power 4. I said the meaning of this is that you have 81 x raised to the power 4, the two of them raised to the power half. This half represent this, so this square root represent this half. We have eliminated this, so this is where we are. This is distributive, we can distribute it with this and this. So let's say we have 81 raised to the power half, multiply by x raised to the power 4 times half. So let me put it into half like this. So this 81 is what? The square root of 81 is 9 raised to the power 2 multiplied by half. This very half now, because when you change this to 9 square, you will get this. Multiply it by x raised to the power 4 into half. Can you see that? Right. When you multiply this by this, what are you going to get? You're going to get 9 2 over 2 multiplied by x raised to the power 4 over 2. So this process remain one. This one is 9 to the power 1 multiplied by x to the power 2. Therefore our answer here is 9x squared. So this 81 x to the power 4 has been resolved to be 9x squared. So the next procedure here, sorry for taking your time, I need to explain it better. Okay, 160x squared plus, now that this one as well has been resolved to be 9x squared, we'll write it here, 9x squared. All right, now when you add this together, because they have the same coefficient, No, sorry, they have the same x. Here, x to the with the same power. So we will say 160 x squared plus 9x squared. That's 169. So you write this 169x squared. So if you look at the square root of 169, that's going to be 13. It's going to be 13. Then the square root of x is x squared is x. This is your answer. 13x is the right answer. So I believe I resolve this from the beginning. Whenever you have problem like this, have no fear to resolve this type of the question. So the same procedure that we used to resolve this is what we use to resolve this. Thank you very much.